My brother asked me to repair the pockets on a pair of jeans. The biggest hole was in one of the pocket bags on the side facing out against the jeans rather than inside towards the leg. There was a long horizontal rip near the top and an intersecting vertical rip down to the bottom. The first thing I did was pin the edges of the tears together and stitch them with a running stitch. This took maybe a couple centimeters each way out of the pocket volume. Next, I put a patch over the horizontal seam with slip stitches. Patches serve two purposes here. One, they contain the seam allowance so it doesn't fray rubbing against things. And two, they extend the repairs from the worn-out fabric to where fabric is still sound. Before patching the vertical seam, I cut out some cardboard and inserted that into the pocket so I wouldn't accidentally stitch the front and back together. This wasn't an issue with the horizontal seam because it was close enough to the edge that just holding the jeans to access that spot held the layers apart, but the vertical seam went a lot further in. I overlapped the patches at the intersection point for added strength. Technically, I could have cut a bigger patch and just gone around the edges, basically making a new pocket bag, but sewing the tears closed meant that there wasn't still a frayed patch inside, and I didn't potentially compromise the strength of the pockets by cutting away the original piece to replace it. The other pocket had a very tiny hole near the top, again on the side against the jeans rather than the side against the legs. I stitched it closed, then realized, oops, I had put the seam allowance inside the pocket bag. So I put patches on both sides. Both pockets had some fraying in the area covered by the denim facing. I think the rivets on the upper corners of jean pockets and the bar tacks holding the belt loops created tension points that pulled in different directions, and there wasn't enough give in the little bit of fabric between those points to stretch. This didn't affect the structural integrity of the pockets because the seams around the edge of the facing should stop any tears from extending beyond it. But since I was fixing things anyway, I went around each rip with buttonhole stitches. This made the holes more noticeable since you can see the facing through them instead of the holes being covered by loose threads, but it should keep them from getting any bigger. None of the repairs are visible from the outside.